half plus or minus half square root of 5 minus 0 whole square plus 4 times 1.04 square whole square, that is nothing but shear stress we calculated earlier, that is you have to substitute here. F maximum is equal to plus 521, that is if you use a plus sign here you will be getting the answer as 5.21 Newton per mm square, because it is positive you got it, so it is compressive in nature, or you can say that compression. And next, that is F minimum, you got it as, if you substitute here as a minus sign and use the calculator, so you will be getting as minus 0.21 Newton per mm square, as because it is negative, so it is tension. So next, that is case 2. Here we'll move on to the case number 2, that is nothing but principal tension without axial pre-stress. Earlier we done with the axial pre-stress, now without axial pre-stress. So Fx will become 0 because P is 0, so 0 by A will be, Fx will be 0. So and Fy, because vertical pre-stress is not given, so it is 0. Next we will substitute the for the formula, earlier formula, same F maximum and F minimum, whatever we used earlier, same formula, that is this formula itself you can substitute, and you will be getting, now by substituting you will be getting as plus or minus 1.04 plus or minus 1.04 Newton per mm square as a plus or minus. So I will be splitting as, that is F maximum as 1.04 positive Newton per mm square if you use positive sign, so it is compressive in nature, or you can say as compression. So F minimum is minus 1.04 Newton per mm square you are getting, so it is tension in nature. So in the question what is asked, we see it here, what is asked to calculate here. See here, compare the magnitude of the principal tension, that is principal stresses you calculated, in that which is tension that has to be compared here. So you can see here, one is you got it with the pre-stress minus 0.21, and here you got it as minus 1.04. So now how to do the problem, as here hence with the axial pre-stress, the principal tension is reduced by, that is you can calculate 1.04, that is a tensile force in the second case you got it, that is without pre-stress, minus bigger value you write it here, minus 0.21, that is a difference you have to do it, divided by highest value you can divide it. So how much reduced you can calculate, multiply by 100, and you will be getting as 79.8% as the reduction is happened. Okay. Thank you.